welcome back to APC. We're back again with another video, and today we're doing a cooking video, but with a twist.
Creds by church. Today we are live here at New Dress Sports Camp with
Today we asked everyone to bring 5 mystery ingredients for our cooking video. Let's go see what everyone brought.
Hi guys, it's your boy Bolu, and I have here with me kidney beans all the way from Woolworths. I have no chili beef flavored cubes. I have pap for the strong men and women that will be after tonight. I have Bokomo cornflakes. I wonder how creative you're going to be when using it. Last but not the least, my favorite, Indian style tomatoes, onions, spices, and curry leaves.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Issy. So today my 5 ingredients are herbs, basil, thyme and parsley, salad dressing, spices, some pork bangers and some onions.
Hi guys, it's your boy K90. The King today bought pasta, minestrone, cool baked beans, and sweet chili sauce and Nola mayonnaise.
Yo, it's Vux over here, and so here's what I brought for today's cooking chat. Got some hot curry spice. We got ourselves some Portuguese chicken seasoning. I thought it would be chicken. We got ourselves a beef flavored cubes, some Gouda flavored cheese slices, and a good old sweet potato for that goodness. Looking forward to what's gonna be done today.
Hi guys, it's Ndombi. So today, for my 5 ingredients, I brought, because I was under the impression it's supposed to be from the cupboard, juice, because I didn't think anyone would think about drinks. I brought milk, because it's so versatile, and I brought flour. Hey?
you know, black people. No.
It's also so versatile, okay? And then I brought garlic and barbecue seasoning. So here are the rules for today. We're gonna have 3 different raffles. The first one to pick who our 2 cooks are gonna be and 1 assistant. The second one to decide what the time crunch will be. There'll be a choice between 3 times 30, 45 and 1 hour to choose from. And lastly, because there's such an array of different ingredients, we're gonna have the cooks choose whether they get to use all the ingredients or just minus 5 ingredients from them. So we already have 5 different names here. I'm gonna call up the first person to come and choose what they're gonna be. Oh god.
No.
Oh, okay. You have AC as an
This can't be.
We already have our first cook.
Okay, yes. No, please, I want sweet chili sauce. Not a cook! That's my ancestors looking out. I just want to thank you and fucking
Okay, I'll
Yeah, not cooking, guys.
Cab.
Not cooking.
Cab.
Not cooking.
Why must I present and cook?
Shut up and tell me.
Let's go. Pick well, pick well, pick well,
I'm not
pick
happy.
well, pick well,
At this point.
pick well. Our lives are on the line.
This is all
Why are you laughing?
Wait, that's
An
good.
hour. Yes, that's good.
I guess that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
We have an
It's
hour
1 hour.
to
Cooking
cook.
for an hour.
Yeah.
That means
Yes, that's
we're not
great.
gonna take an hour, but
Yes, we're not going to take an hour, but that's great. Good to have options. Okay, now we're going to pick for all the ingredients. One of the ingredients. Oh, Father God. Father God. I don't know. It says minus 5 ingredients. Okay, after deliberation, we'll tell you which ingredients.
kidney bean, bokomo.
Okay,
We're gonna discuss.
I know what we're minusing for sure.
Lunch bar.
Pap.
Vibe.
Pap. Pap is leaving.
What's this?
No way we're making
What's
pap.
that?
But I think we can work with beans. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
We can leave the kidney beans.
Yini kidney bean. Vaya. What's this?
Okay, no. Okay, wait.
Wait,
This is what we're
green.
making first.
Okay.
Okay.
But the thing
Pasta.
is, we can manage with everything else. But like there's certain things that are ridiculous.
But taking out the sweet potatoes, do you know how long sweet potatoes take to cook?
Man, this is healthy stuff.
But do you know how long we don't have? We have an hour, but still. Wait, can we?
What are you gonna do with the?
Okay, yeah, let's decide. No, but we can use it as juice for everyone, so that's fine.
This is okay. Wait. We have cheese. We have hot curry. We have norok. Can we even use it?
Okay, no, let's.
Take out the flour.
Yeah, because we can. Yeah, we can take out the flour.
All right.
Okay, these are our 5 ingredients: sweet potatoes, flour, pap, ukomo, and
kidney beans.
kidney beans.
Sounds like a disease someone has, man. I've got kidney beans.
Yeah, glad for that.
So, when is the timer start?
Let's go.
So that we know. Okay, first things first, man. Let me just clear all of this. Let's just prepare the space, really.
That's why I said what I said.
This is a cooking
As
challenge.
much as-
No, it's not getting to each other. Start cooking.
As much as I don't know what all of this is about. As much as we cook, I don't know. People still have to eat what we cook. I don't think they get it. I mean, I've tasted like bay leaves and stuff. I know a lot of people use that for like meat.
That's not Bailey. That's
No. I know. You know, I
But no one
think
does
people who aren't cooking shouldn't comment. Always.
Ah, you gonna let him slide? You gonna let him say that?
Does she have a? What about cooking oil?
What about
You see,
cooking
this is
oil?
when you should have actually put irama in the stock, not flour.
I thought about it, but then.
Pasta sauce,
We're just here for the vibe.
The beans go with like a sauce like that.
Watching the niggas cooking. Watching the
I mean, we have to use
in the
We
kitchen.
can use this and make like
Yeah,
some
no.
of chili pasta.
Guys, let's be black pasta mayonnaise.
You want to use mayonnaise as cooking oil?
Let's be. People are picking up stone peas. You see?
Nah.
Let's be classic.
Don't tell me.
Okay.
We're definitely doing that. We're definitely doing that.
This one will go with it. All of
Like
these.
they're gonna mix.
That's just being black.
Just one thing.
One.
I'm serious. They're gonna mix beans.
Okay.
Kaniso said you guys are going to cook mixed beans and mayonnaise.
Skawa.
Who told you that?
Exactly.
It's definitely
Okay,
what they're
and then
gonna do.
this is
Really
just-
nonsense today.
So then,
I feel like the best thing I enjoy about this meal
pasta,
is
and
the
then
orange
just
juice.
have, like a mint sort of.
All I'm gonna say is, if there's no aromat, I'm not touching it.
Oh.
You know about.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I don't know about.
Don't forget we have an assistant.
But we'll do.
They just said they have an assistant.
They're not even utilizing it.
Assistant is gonna wash plates.
Oh, we must make her.
She can chop these.
Yeah.
Chop the onion.
And the
Remember that assistant.
Anyway, is more.
Okay, check
let's-
it. Okay, so
People are talking too much. Instead of them to start cooking. Exactly. You want to use mayonnaise as cooking oil.
Sharp. And then Okay. Sharp. When you feel most confident, sorry. I need
Are
a.
your hands washed, sir? Hey!
It's fine. They'll taste the extra flavor from the grass today.
Side eye.
Fantastic one, isn't it?
I just like to say that first of all, their cooking is sabotaged because of Issy's knife is very blunt. So it does not cut well. It does not cut well.
Bring your knife there.
I should bring my knife.
We're using a plate. Bring a plate. But I'm using this too.
Are you putting it in the.
By the time they finish cooking, I'll have a chef.
Like when I'm making this. when I'm making the.
I'm waiting for 4 hours. This is supposed to be a 2-hour thing.
Oh, we should have taken out the pot.
Please send me off to Islamic kids.
We're dying.
do them.
Why?
It's for the aesthetics. You need to create the atmosphere of your dish. That's what I'm looking forward to from these chefs. I want to feel like I am eating at a fine 5-star restaurant. I want the flavors that come from this meal to take me to places that I've never been before. That's what I expect from you guys cooking tonight.
So please, you can't ask me for 5 stars when you work for Common.
I'm telling you, the bokomo can be crushed and used as a coating, exactly as a crushed coating. I warasa yo.
When you go to the presentation, just if it looks good, it's gonna entice me, make me want to eat it. I'm probably gonna vomit, but it's fine.
No, not together.
But what do you guys think you're gonna enjoy your food?
I don't know, you tell us, but according to me,
Yes.
I don't think. Okay, no, never mind.
We're running out of time. Wow.
Wow. Nah,
I'll admit
not
it's my
really.
first time cooking with some of these, but you live and you learn. Yeah, man. Life is all about opportunity. You never know what it throws at you.
I need the pan.
I won't lie, I wasn't too happy about this opportunity.
Guys, this is assistant. Please do clear up. Thank you.
Hey, can you also help this side?
Everyone see that?
I have a bunch of this side as well,
Okay,
please.
this is
Okay,
okay. Feeling, how are you feeling so far?
Who?
When? Who else?
I'm feeling good. We haven't got to the nitty gritties yet. We have about 20 minutes left. Too much time. I feel like I don't even have time to chillax. Isn't that a bit too hot?
What is? Oh yeah, I forgot.
Do you want me to offend Italy?
No. Do you want me to help you?
That's fine.
2, 5.
Yeah, man.
Because I don't want to be that guy, but children in Africa are starving.
Are you the children in Africa?
I am definitely the children.
I can tell. Oh my gosh.
You see me thinning away here.
You know it's bad when Rose toes are thinning, man. Can't have that.
Not his toes.
Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? Guys, you have no what? Hope.
Because everybody brought a spice, and the one didn't bring a spice.
No, I didn't bring a spice.
That person didn't bring a
I
spice.
just brought the maestro.
You have a spice.
Yes. Who do you think I am?
Spice. Okay. And then lastly, barbecue spice again. Guys, I can't be seen using my teeth on the channel.
Mfethu cooking ndiyapheka. Ngiyabona.
What's happening?
You said I must add cold water here.
Yeah, rinse it with cold water so that it stops cooking because it's still cooking.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah, you didn't know that.
You know we cooked it.
No, if you're doing medium, al dente, you need to rinse it with cold water if you're not going to use it.
Can you pass that fork, baby? Right.
Okay.
I feel like I don't know. This thing was really.
Put it under constant cold water and then do that.
This thing was rigged, man. Should have been sitting down. But if you're being honest, face peeps for the job.
I know, right? They won't say it, but still.
Hey, I'm stupid.
Stay there. Let's show them what you have. What's happening here?
What is
No,
that?
I'm stupid, yes.
Hey guys, Ladija.
What? Can't you throw stuff away, bro? Wenzeni. Sisi. Let it cool. Sisi. Oh. It's gonna be reduced by the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm adding the minestrone soup for just okay. Won't do what else to it.
Minestrone.
Is that called?
Yes.
It's minestrone, my love.
It's minestrone.
Is that called?
Dale. Dale. That's nice.
Look at this dude. Blow.
Don't tell me. Wait, whose fork is that?
It's Essie's.
Why did you ask me?
Trust nobody.
These guys don't wanna finish cooking. Like you give them an opportunity.
Yo!
Oh, what is this?
What is what?
This?
Indian style. You don't like it?
No, you like it.
It's like a kind of concentrated chakalaka or
I'm just
something.
gonna add 1 spoon.
So who's gonna
Okay,
mix the rest?
2.
Wish I knew what I was doing. Oh yeah. That's a consistency I like. Is that gonna be enough for the pasta?
How it tastes. Everyone's gonna find out at the same time.
Because there's no salt.
That's if you have chopsticks.
With any chopsticks, man.
Yeah. I was trying to mix it for you. So.
Is there even a spoon here? Is that the only
I
one?
think this
I think AC has more.
I said you only have 1 spoon.
Yes. And one person guys.
It's fine.
I said I'm like this.
The basil, bro.
And this is the final plate, guys.
Wait, we're not done. They have nice.
58 seconds left.
Too much.
50 seconds left. T minus 40 seconds. T minus 30 seconds. T minus 20 seconds. T minus 15 seconds.
Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done.
Yeah.
We're done.
Words, guys.
So this is our dish called the.
We call it a taste of Europe and South Africa. What we had in mind was with what we had, we realized that we could make our friends take a trip abroad. However, at the same time, we don't want people to get homesick, right? And so we incorporated the king, the go-to of almost every South African household, right? And so we added that with that.
Simplest thing to make.
Exactly. And so we topped that off with a drink, added some, put it on the rocks to make sure that all the meal goes down nice and cold and smoothly, right? Couldn't have done it without my chef here. She's amazing. Check her out. And so yeah, we're looking forward to what everyone thinks of it.
Thank you.
Y'all see what
They don't
we
really
see?
keep it like that. Sometimes it was too much.
Yeah.
Are you bitter that my luck held out?
Your luck held out. I think my luck held out. I want to have stomach issues.
Oh, you're like.
Hey, fun. Shooting secret center while you were running to find stuff. You was the toilet.
Okay, guys, you guys want to.
With you track that list, actually.
I'm gonna give it a 8.5 out of 10.
Just try the beans.
Yeah.
What's up with this whole thing? I'm saying given that they didn't use my Pokemon. Came out quite good, but I think my ingredients would have done better. But shout out to chefs.
Hey.
Which way, man? You know, I think the beans really kept it off. But I have to say, whoever made the pasta sauce, it's too much. Overall, it's a good dish. We did what we could do with the resources we were given. And that, I think it's in our way.
Rating?